Samtec has a broad line of components for SATCOM applications. It's not uncommon to require data rates in excess of 10 gigabits per second and RF signals between 10 and 110 gigahertz. As a manufacturer of RF cables and connectors, Samtec provides many of these components for phased array applications, which are becoming more popular with SATCOM due to the ability to track moving targets. In addition, Samtec manufactures these components for the air and ground terrestrial-based user terminals, as well as for the satellites and the space applications themselves. Samtec manufactures a broad line of high reliability connectors and components.